Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Funny Tech. Today we discuss about helicopter insurance. Specialist helicopter risk management and insurance. Helicopter insurance and risk management programs for private helicopter owner and commercial helicopter operators included training, school and service. Today we have Solent operating in hazardous territories around the world undertake a range of missions which include UN humanitarian relief work, infrastructure projects, natural resource exploration and extraction, security, medevac, and governmental helicopter operation. We have extensive experience arranging rotor wing insurance for private helicopter owner, commercial helicopter operators, flight training, school, air ambulance service, police, and other government agencies. Helicopter liability insurance. Helicopter liability insurance provides cover against loss, damage, or injury to third parties, including messenger, cargo, mail, and baggage. Although different insurers may offer slightly different policy limit and definition, they do not always provide cover for the pilot in command of a helicopter, aircraft, or the helicopter itself. The pilot must carry evidence of this insurance on board the aircraft at all times. It is a legal requirement in many countries worldwide to have a minimum amount of liability insurance. Please refer to your local country of domicile to check these limits. For helicopter owner and operator in the UK, the UKCA website provides information on minimum limit. For EU-based owner and operators, the EU legislation is set out in regulation. Okay, welcome. Thank you watching for my video. Like to my YouTube channel Funny Tech.